Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ravi Thapa Programming. So in this session, I'm going to explain the polymorphism. So this is one of the uh, base concept from the OOPS in Java programming language, where uh, it's a very powerful concept when you are going to design any complex system with inheritance and you are creating a lot of methods like so what happens is you will have the same method name, but that method can have the different flavor based on the arguments, the number of arguments you are passing, or based on the type of argument you are passing into that method. So in there are cases where you have to implement it. There are cases where the circumstances will make you to implement the polymorphism. So what happens is there are two kinds of polymorphism. One is the compile time, another is the runtime polymorphism. So in compile time, so whenever there is a class and there is no inheritance involved, by the way, so there is a class and it has method. For example, there is a shape class and it has a method like the draw, right? And in that case, so draw can have like different method variety of method. So one can take like the only one axis, another draw method can like two axis, x and y. Third can take like the third three axis, something like that. If I will go with the uh, inheritance in the same concept. So if there is a draw class, and it has a method like the shape, then it could be like it can have multiple child classes. For example, it could be like the triangle, it could be the rectangle, it could be square, right? Or it could be the circle. So because shape is the top parent class, so whatever the shape, the other subtype of classes or child classes will extend the shape class, it will inherit. So that shape, uh, the draw method from the shape, it will be extended into or inherited into the child classes, so that you have to implement as per the your shape, whether it is circle, triangle, or rectangle. So this is how it works. I'm going to explain you the same thing in the example. So I'm not going to make it a complex example so that you will understand it much easier. Public class, so let's say shape, right? And if I will say public static void main, let's take another class, public class, let's make it test shape. So there is a method public void draw, and I'm saying system.out.println draw one axis, or I will say draw one line. Simple. So I'm passing int line. There could be only one public. I'm using only one Java class file to save save some time. So it is test.java, right? And there could be same method but the different argument. Public void draw system dot out dot println draw two lines line 2. Right now let's make the object of this class shape equal to new shape column. So I'm calling shape dot draw. See, if I will not pass the value and I will simply call the draw, it will give you the compile time error, right? Because it is always binded at the compile time only. We have to decide at the compile time only that which method I want to call it. So we also say the compile time polymorphism shape dot draw. Now in the second I have to pass 1 2 3 or 2 3 something like this. So it will call the second method. So go to the command prompt, cs java c shape test or java shape test. Right, so it is calling the two different method. So what if in the same case I will uh, draw like a rectangle and I will extend this shape class, extends shape class, and I will say I'm extending the shape class here and I'm saying at the rate override. This annotation is important to override the method of the parent class into the child class. So I will say public, I will just copy paste this. I will just change the implementation inside the method. So you will have better clarity. So I will say draw a rectangle, right? And instead of shape, I will just comment out these previous class initialization, and I will say that rectangle 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 equal to new rectangle rectangle dot draw 1 2 3, and I'm just compiling it. Sorry, not this one. Shape. See, it is calling the draw rectangle. So see, both, if you see, both the classes have the same method, same signature. The only difference is this at the rate override, and it is overriding this behavior of this particular method. So I'm concluding this example here. Just try to practice it initially. This is a bit complex concept. It's difficult to understand at one time. So I will make the different examples of it. That right, how do you implement these polymorphisms so that you will have a better clarity. This is the end of this video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for the more videos like this. I will see you in the next video with another interesting topic. Thank you for watching.